What's up guys, it's Julia. Welcome back to my channel. First thing, please excuse my disgusting voice. I just got over being sick. It was literally like one of the worst sicknesses of my life. But the show must go on. Today I am taking you guys along with me to grocery shop. I've seen a lot of these done before and I feel like I've sort of like mastered the whole grocery shopping thing now that I've lived on my own for a while. Because I feel like when I first lived on my own, when I went grocery shopping, I would buy so much, just buy whatever looked good. I would spend so much money and then I wouldn't be able to eat it all before it went bad. So I would just be wasting a bunch of food. Kind of like buy the same exact thing now every time that I go grocery shopping, and it just works perfectly for me. I'm a busy college student. I don't have time to make these super intricate recipes, so I kind of just make some basic things, and I'm going to be showing you all what I buy just to eat healthy but also not buy super crazy difficult things to make. Like I said, I eat healthy but also I don't buy like all organic things. I feel like when I first like started going grocery shopping, I was like, I'm gonna buy all these like organic things, be super healthy, and then I soon realized that that is not realistic on my budget because organic food is like $1 more than everything else, sometimes even more. And I just like, personally, I think it's pointless to buy like organic ketchup and stuff when like you can buy like the store's brand for so much cheaper. But that's just me. So like the only like really organic things I buy are eggs, and like I try to buy my meats organic, but sometimes it doesn't happen. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get to grocery shopping. Whole grain spaghetti. Whole grain is so much better. I never really buy cereal, but I've heard this is really good, so I'm gonna try it. Okay, that grocery store was packed. I expected to be able to like talk in it, but like I literally couldn't even move. So that was that. Grocery shopping always just takes so much out of me, but I'm gonna go home now and I'm just gonna do a little haul and show you all everything that I got. So let's go home. I don't buy like a lot of variety of fruit anymore. Like I feel like I used to go and buy like a lot of strawberries, a lot of like blueberries. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna make like fruit salads every day. I don't, that's just unrealistic. So the only fruits that I buy are a 4-pack of bananas, sometimes more, sometimes less, but I feel like 4 is kind of like the perfect amount before they go bad. And cuties are my literal favorite. I go through these so fast because I'll just be walking by and I'll just grab one. I swear I eat like 5 a day, but they're so just like quick for when I'm on the go. All right, then as you can tell, I'm literally obsessed with avocados. I eat them so much. I go through them so fast. I have at least 1 a day. This is something that I buy every single time, and it is this, it's like Perdue. It's a pack of a bunch of individually wrapped chicken breasts, and I usually just put this in the freezer and then I can take out one, defrost it, and cook it, and it lasts me so long. Then next I got some ground beef. So many people say that like red meat's bad for you. I honestly I love red meat. I don't know what I would ever do without it, but I got this and I got other stuff because I was really craving like a taco salad. So I wanted to make that for lunch this week. So I got some ground beef that I can just make today that I have for the rest of the week. Then another thing that I've really been craving lately is like stir fry, like shrimp stir fry. And I have like all the ingredients for that besides vegetables. I think I got vegetables for it. and shrimp. So I got this massive bag, this is all I had, of shrimp that I can just stick in the freezer. I normally wouldn't get this big of a bag of something, but I figured since it's frozen, like, it'll last me a while, right? And I also got, for my stir fry, I just got this bag of frozen vegetables. I always just typically get frozen vegetables because they last me longer. If I don't get frozen vegetables, I definitely don't eat them on time. For the taco salad, I also got 2 bags just of this American blend lettuce. Honestly, I don't really like iceberg lettuce. I really just like romaine, but all the romaine looked disgusting. So this is what we settled for. Then last for protein, I literally live off of these things. For lunch when I come home and like I only have like a half hour to be home when I have to leave again, I love eating these things. I get these, or either I get the Perdue chicken patty. Basically, I try my best to not eat a lot of dairy just because it kind of makes me break out a lot. So the only thing that I buy dairy is mac and cheese because I love mac and cheese. I kind of just make this if I've had like a really long day and don't feel like cooking anything and don't want to spend money on food. It's just kind of there as a backup that I keep in the back of my pantry. If I need it, we use it, you know. Then I absolutely love pasta. I make pasta so often, and I honestly love whole grain pasta more than I like regular. It's kind of weird. Then to go along with the pasta, I got Prego roasted garlic and Parmesan. I always try different sauces every time I go and buy stuff. Sometimes I get regular, sometimes I get something fancy. Never gotten this one before, so I was like, hey, why don't I try it, even though it definitely has dairy in it. Okay, then for bread, this is literally my favorite kind of bread. It's the Dave's Killer bread. It's 21 whole grains. It is so good. I've been getting it for so long. 10 out of 10 recommend it. Then, like I said, I get buns to go along with my chicken patties. I get whole grain just to, I don't know, honestly, I like whole grain or whole wheat or whatever so much better than I like white. It kind of just like gives it more flavor to me. So I got that. I never buy snacks, like literally never, because I've learned this about myself. I have zero self-control when it comes to snacks. Like I will buy a bag of chips and they will be gone within a day. Like I literally cannot control myself when it comes to snacks. So I just choose to eat meals, not snacks. But I bought chips. The reason I bought chips and salsa was solely for my taco salad. I'm not gonna let myself eat this. It's for the taco salad, to put on the top of the taco salad. Heard that this shredded wheat, is that what it is? Yeah. I've heard that it's really good, so I was like, hey, why don't I try it on days where I don't have time to like make myself a full breakfast? So this is what I got, and I didn't show me buying this because I already had some, but I switched over to almond milk, honestly, because of my whole dairy thing. So almond milk, I just get plain almond milk. Okay, next I just got some organic eggs. I only got a small thing of this because I still have some left over of my big thing, so I didn't need 2 big things in my fridge, but I definitely needed some more before my next grocery trip. I usually eat one of these a day. I just put peanut butter on it. It is so good. Tastes amazing. Definitely recommend it. It's the perfect snack to fill you up. Alright, so that is everything that I bought at the grocery store. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, if you want to see a college what I eat in a day, comment down below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you like what you see, and I will talk to y'all next time.